If your mind feels like a whirlwind, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and stressed. The constant demands of work, family, and social obligations can leave us feeling drained and out of balance. But what if there was a way to restore harmony and peace to our lives? What if we could tap into ancient wisdom to find modern solutions for our well-being? Let's calm the storm with ancient Chinese medicine. This time-honored practice has been used for thousands of years to promote health and balance. By integrating these ancient techniques into our daily routines, we can find a sense of calm and clarity amidst the chaos. Imagine a life where stress doesn't control you, but instead you control your response to stress. Chinese medicine offers time-tested methods to enhance your well-being. From herbal remedies to acupuncture, these practices have stood the test of time for a reason. They work by addressing the root causes of imbalance in the body rather than just treating symptoms. This holistic approach ensures that your body, mind, and spirit are all in harmony. Let's dive into 5 practices you can start today. First up, acupuncture. This ancient technique involves inserting thin needles into specific points on the body to stimulate energy flow. It's been shown to relieve pain, reduce stress, and improve overall health. Whether you're dealing with chronic pain or just need a way to relax, acupuncture can be a powerful tool in your wellness arsenal. Acupuncture stimulates energy flow, easing pain and stress. The needles may be tiny, but their impact is profound. By targeting specific points on the body, acupuncture helps to unblock energy pathways, allowing your body's natural healing processes to take over. Many people report feeling a sense of deep relaxation and relief after just one session. Imagine the relief as those tiny needles work their magic. Next, herbal medicine. Chinese herbal medicine uses a variety of plants and natural substances to restore balance and health. These remedies are tailored to your specific needs, addressing everything from digestive issues to immune support. By incorporating these natural solutions into your routine, you can boost your body's resilience and vitality. Herbal remedies balance your body, boosting immunity and digestion. Think of it as nature's pharmacy, offering a wide range of solutions for common ailments. Whether you're sipping on a soothing herbal tea or taking a carefully crafted tincture, these remedies work in harmony with your body to promote healing and well-being. Think of it as nature's pharmacy at your fingertips. Then there's Tai Chi. This ancient martial art is often described as meditation in motion. Its slow, flowing movements help to improve flexibility, balance, and mental clarity. Practicing Tai Chi regularly can reduce stress, enhance physical health, and bring a sense of peace to your daily life. Tai Chi's flowing movements enhance flexibility and calm the mind. It's a gentle yet powerful way to connect with your body and mind. As you move through the graceful sequences, you'll find yourself becoming more centered and focused. Tai Chi is suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels, making it an accessible practice for anyone looking to improve their well-being. It's like a moving meditation that brings peace to your every step. Don't forget meditation. This practice has been used for centuries to quiet the mind and cultivate inner peace. By setting aside just a few minutes each day to meditate, you can improve your focus, reduce anxiety, and enhance your emotional health. Meditation helps you to become more aware of your thoughts and feelings, allowing you to respond to life's challenges with greater clarity and calm. Meditation centers your thoughts, improving focus and emotional health. It's a simple yet profound practice that can transform your mental landscape. Whether you prefer to meditate in a quiet room or surrounded by nature, the benefits are undeniable. Regular meditation can help you to develop a deeper sense of self-awareness and inner peace. Just a few minutes a day can transform your mental landscape. Finally, Qigong. This ancient practice combines gentle movements, deep breathing, and meditation to harmonize the body and mind. Qigong is often described as a moving meditation, similar to Tai Chi, but with a greater emphasis on cultivating and balancing the body's vital energy, or Qi. Practicing Qigong can help to reduce stress, improve physical health, and enhance overall well-being. Qigong harmonizes body and mind through gentle movements and deep breathing. It's an ancient practice that grounds you in the present moment. By focusing on your breath and movements, you can cultivate a sense of inner peace and balance. Qigong is a versatile practice that can be adapted to suit your individual needs and abilities, making it an excellent addition to any wellness routine. It's an ancient practice that grounds you in the present moment. Embrace these ancient practices for a balanced life. By incorporating acupuncture, herbal medicine, tai chi, meditation, and qigong into your daily routine, you can create a holistic approach to wellness that nurtures your body, mind, and spirit. These practices offer a pathway to greater health, harmony, and happiness. Embrace these ancient practices for a balanced life. Remember, the journey to wellness is a personal one, and it's important to find what works best for you. Start with one practice and gradually incorporate others as you feel ready. The key is consistency and a willingness to explore new ways of nurturing your well-being. Share your journey in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips. Your experiences and insights can inspire others to embark on their own path to a balanced and healthy life. Together we can create a community of support and encouragement, helping each other to thrive in mind, body, and spirit.